There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Dodge Durango RT Blacktop Edition in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With HID headlamps, premium LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, lane departure warning plus, a sports suspension, heated and ventilated front seats, a heated steering wheel, only 33,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with navigation, a rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, selectable steering modes, heated rear seats, a power sunroof, a power liftgate, all powered by a 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5735.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles. The smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.